organised challenges. Now, probably doesn't take a lot to guess that today it's all about holiday decorations, and this can be a really tough one, but here's what I want you to do. I want you to gather all of your holiday decorations into one place and go through them. Any that you haven't used this past year, chances are you're never going to use. So consider letting those go first of all. Then use a piece of cardboard or one of these light organizer things to get the lights organized by wrapping them around those. Anything that's broken, decorations that are broken, let them go, and let's be honest, reducing your holiday decorations to a reasonable number in just a few bins will make your life easier with the coming holidays. So, holiday decorations, get to it, let's see some photos and let's hear how you do.